I hope everybody had a great start off to the month of July. I'm student meteorologist Liam Kenny. Let's take a look at our weather headlines as we head into your Independence Day Friday and into the upcoming holiday weekend. Thanks to a cold front coming through tomorrow, scattered showers and thunderstorms will be likely. It will not be a total washout, and thankfully, there's not going to be any risk for severe weather, but scattered showers and thunderstorms will be likely as we head into your day on Wednesday. For your Independence Day Friday and for the upcoming weekend, it'll be very summer-like for our area. Only a very small chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm. It will be hot though and humid as it always is this time of year in South Carolina. Afternoon highs climbing into the upper 80s to around 90, low to mid 90s as we head further inland. Again, only a very small chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm. As we head into the tropics, I'm still continuing to monitor one area just off of our coastline that has a very small chance of becoming a tropical depression or a tropical storm within the next 7 days. Will it have any impact on our forecast for the upcoming holiday weekend? I'll tell you more about that coming up in just a few minutes. Let's time out the rain coming to our area as we head into your day tomorrow. For your morning commute, a couple of showers possible across our far northwestern counties, but the majority of our area should be remaining rain-free. For your lunchtime hour, right as that sea breeze begins to form right along the coastline for your lunch hour, an isolated shower or thunderstorm cannot be ruled out, but the majority of our area will be remaining rain-free. However, that won't be the case as we head past your lunch hour and into your afternoon. Across the entire area, scattered showers and thunderstorms will be likely. No severe weather, thankfully, but any storm that forms will be capable of producing some heavy rain, frequent lightning, and maybe some gusty winds at times. And I wouldn't count on the radar looking exactly like this. This is just one model showing you what could happen. And we all know weather models are never fully correct. They're never going to show us exactly what's going to happen, but this just gives us a good picture or a good idea of what the radar could look like, that is, as we head into your afternoon and into your evening hours as well. And as soon as the sun goes down, our rain chances, unfortunately, will be staying elevated thanks to a secondary piece of energy that will be moving through overnight tomorrow night into your Thursday morning. We're still going to have a chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms into your very early morning hours of your Thursday. Again, no severe weather is expected, so that is the good part in tomorrow's forecast. For your morning commute, temperatures starting out in the lower to mid 70s across the entire viewing area under partly sunny skies. For your lunchtime hour, we warm up quickly already into the low to mid 80s across the entire viewing area. Our best chance of rain and storms will be right along the coastline as that sea breeze begins to develop. Thanks to the cloud cover in our area, for all of you inland, you're not going to be topping out in the 90s for once. How amazing is that? Mid to upper 80s expected across the entire viewing area. We will have that good chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms, about a 60% chance. Winds will be out of the south at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. As we head into your Thursday, Friday, and into the upcoming holiday weekend, that same cold front that's going to be moving into our area tomorrow will be sagging to the south of us and becoming a stall frontal boundary. Thankfully, it's going to be taking most of the moisture with it. So as we head into the upcoming holiday, there's not going to be a ton of moisture in our area, and high pressure will be having most of the effect on our weather pattern. So it should be a pretty nice weekend under lots of sunshine. It will still be remaining hot and humid though, with the afternoon highs climbing to the upper 80s to around 90. It'll be topping out in the low to mid 90s as we head further inland. For your Thursday, temperatures starting out in the lower to mid 70s across the entire viewing area under partly sunny skies. For your afternoon, I'm sorry to say it if you live inland, but the 90s are coming back. Low to mid 90s are expected across all of our inland and PD counties. If you live right along our coastline, the sea breeze will save you from getting hotter or as hot as our inland counties will. You'll be topping out in the upper 80s to around 90. Carol will add a couple of isolated showers and thunderstorms as that sea breeze forms, but by far our best chance of rain will be as we head into your day on Wednesday. I mentioned that there is still a very small chance of a weak tropical disturbance forming just off our coastline as we head later into this week and into your upcoming holiday weekend. That same frontal boundary that I was just telling you about is going to be stalling right across or just off of the coast of the southeast, right over the Florida Peninsula. And thanks to the ocean waters being warm enough to support some weak tropical development, there's a very small chance that we could get a weak tropical disturbance to form within that frontal boundary, and the National Hurricane Center has given it about a 30% chance of becoming something tropical. The impacts will be very, very minimal. God forbid this formed, and I don't even really think that it's going to happen because the chance of it is so very low. God forbid anything did come of this, it would be later this weekend into early next week, and if we did see anything from it, it would just be increased rain chances. We're not looking at any coastal flooding, no major wind gusts, just heavier rain possibly, but of course we'll fine-tune that forecast as we get later into this weekend and into the start of next week. Bottom line though, it's no threat for the upcoming holiday weekend, so please do not cancel any 4th of July plans you have because of this potential system. Speaking of the 4th of July, here's a look at the forecast for the upcoming holiday weekend. Very nice and summer-like for our area, to say the least. Afternoon highs climbing into the upper 80s to around 90, low to mid 90s as we head further inland. Only a very small chance of an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Otherwise, look for partly sunny skies. For your Sunday, only a slightly higher chance of rain at about a 30% chance because of a little bit more moisture coming into our atmosphere, but still most of you will be remaining rain-free under partly sunny skies. Temperature still warm and humid, upper 80s to around 90 across the entire viewing area. If you're heading to the beach this weekend for the 4th of July, as always, have that sunblock on hand. The UV index will be very, very high, in between a 10 to 11, so wear lots of sunblock all day long. Thankfully, we shouldn't have to dodge too many showers or thunderstorms. Can't rely on an isolated shower or thunderstorm along the sea breeze, but the majority of you will not be rained out. And if you do plan on swimming, please be careful. The rip current risk will be at a moderate. Here's a look at your extended 10-day forecast, proudly brought to you by Hunter Plumbing Services. Best chance rain comes tomorrow, and then it'll be very summer-like as we head into your 4th of July Friday and into the upcoming holiday weekend. Afternoon highs climbing into the mid to upper 80s, overnight lows falling into the 70s, and as you head further inland, it'll be very, very similar. Just a couple of degrees warmer, upper 70s to around 90. Best chance rain coming tomorrow. Very summer-like throughout the rest of this week and into your upcoming holiday weekend. I hope you all have a great 4th of July.